Hello kids. Today we are going to revise the lesson 1. Lesson number 1 and the lesson name is the globe. A model of our earth. The globe is the model. Globe is the model of our earth. This lesson we are going to revise. Okay, look here, we are going to revise the whole lesson in small points, short points, some points. So, you turn the page and see. Let us revise. In these short points, some points we are going to revise the whole lesson and exercise. Okay, so see. 1. A globe is a small model of the earth. Globe is a small model of the earth which shows its different features on smaller scale. Which shows its different features on a smaller scale. Second point is, the large water bodies are called oceans. Large water bodies are called oceans. 3. The large extensive masses of land are called continents. Large extensive masses of land are called continents. 4. The imaginary line that divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere is called the equator. The imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves, the northern and the southern hemisphere, is called equator. Number 5. The imaginary line that runs parallel to the equator. The imaginary line that run parallel to the equator are called latitude or parallels of latitude. That is called latitudes or parallel to the latitude. 6th point is, the imaginary vertical lines. The imaginary vertical lines that run both north-south, and meet at the pole are called longitudes or meridians. The imaginary vertical lines that run north-south and meet at the pole are called the longitudes or meridians. Next point is 7.1. The 0-degree longitude is called the prime meridian. The 0-degree longitude is called prime meridian and passes through Greenwich England. 0-degree. 8th point is, latitudes and longitudes are greatly help in locating places on the earth. Latitudes and longitudes greatly help in locating places on the earth. Okay, here our revision over lesson. Which one lesson? The globe, the model of earth, our earth. Now we are going to revise the exercise. 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Here options are given. Already we did it. Yes or no? But this time we are going to revise, simply revise. Understood? No? You revise this one lesson to make a preparation, to prepare for exam. We have semester exam. Soon we having a exam. So we must revise this one. We must make a preparation for exam. A. Dash given, but we fill up here longitudes. Longitudes are equal in length Longitudes are equal in length. Here latitudes and parallel are incorrect answers. Longitudes are equal in length. Everybody's answer is correct now. Again once time you check this one answer, yours answer. Open your notebook and textbook. B. The equator in place of dash dash in empty place. We written here equator. The equator is longest latitude. The equator is longest latitude. Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn wrong are there. Means incorrect answers are there. Equator is correct. C. The dash in place of dash we written here 0. The 0 degree longitude is called the prime meridian. The 0 degree longitude is called the prime meridian. Just revise now. We read now. 90 degree, 180 degree, incorrect answers are there. D. Third, in place of dash dash means empty place. Antarctic. The Antarctic Circle is located at 66.5 degree at south. The Antarctic Circle is located at 66.5 degree at south. Arctic and Tropic of Cancer is incorrect answers are there. Antarctic Circle. E. India is located to dash in place of dash. What you are done? North. In India is located to the north of the equator. India is located to the north of the equator. South and east are incorrect answers. So see next question. Question number 2. Tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong one. Tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. Already we ticked for correct and cross for wrong ones, but we must revise this one. A. The latitudes appears just as a dot at the equator. It is wrong. Latitude appears just as a dot at the equator. Wrong answer. B. The prime meridian is located in the Greenland. Yes, the prime meridian is located in Greenland. It is correct. So make a tick. C. Horizontal lines drawn running parallel to the equator are called latitudes. Horizontal lines drawn running parallel to the equator are called the latitudes. Correct. So put right here, make a tick here, tick. D. The latitudes measures from 0 to 180. The latitudes measures from 0 to 180. Wrong. 0 to 90. So right here, make mark here, cross. E. The Antarctic Circle. The Antarctic Circle is the northernmost part of the globe. Wrong. The Antarctic Circle is the northernmost part of the globe. It is wrong. So mark here, cross. F. The North Pole is marked as 180 degree. Wrong. The North Pole is marked as 90 degree. No? So it is wrong. Next we see answer the following questions. How is, question number 8, question A, how is globe a useful tool in geography? Look here. Question A, how is globe a useful tool in geography? A globe shows the exact location and shape and give an idea about the relative size of all the lands, areas as well as the water bodies on the earth. A globe shows the exact location, shape and give an idea about the relative size of all lands, areas as well as water bodies on the earth. Understood? Now second question. Mention two differences between latitudes and longitudes. Mention two differences between latitudes and longitudes. Mention two differences between latitudes and longitudes. Difference between latitudes and longitudes are, First we will see the latitudes. Latitudes are the parallel of latitude move towards the north and south poles from the equator. They are parallel to each other. Latitudes are the parallel of latitudes move towards the north and south pole from the equator. They are parallel to each other. Now longitudes. Longitudes are run from north to south. These lines are not parallel and meet one another at the pole. Longitudes run from north to south. These lines are not parallel but meet one another at the pole. Okay, next question. Where is the prime meridian located? Where is the prime meridian located? Before that, we see again one is there difference. Okay, latitudes, the parallel to latitude are not of the same size. They become a smaller and smaller circle as we move from equator to pole. It is the second difference of latitude. Now see longitude. All longitudes meridians are equal in length. All longitudes are equal in length. Here are two differences between longitudes and latitudes over. Next question is, where is the prime meridian located? Where is the prime meridian located? The prime meridian passes through Greenwich near London in England. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich near London in England. 0 degree at 0 degree. Okay, fourth question means D1. What are oceans? Name the oceans nearest to the India. The large water bodies are called the oceans. Indian Ocean is the nearest to India. The large water bodies are called the oceans. Indian Ocean is the nearest to India. Understood? Last question. What are continents? In which continent is India located? What are continents? In which continent is India located? Large extensive masses of land on the earth. Large extensive masses of land on the earth are called continents. India is located in continent of Asia. India is located in the continent of Asia. Understood, kids? Here our first lesson revision over. These all question answers I will give you homework. Understood? You see that one and again more time revise the lesson and exercise 2. Now we are going to revise the lesson number 2, mapping the earth. Lesson number 2, mapping the earth. Okay, first we revise the lesson in some points. We are going to revise the lesson mapping the earth in some points. A map is, first point, a map is a drawing of a part of or the whole of the earth on a flat surface. Map is a drawing. Map is a drawing of a part or whole of the earth on a flat surface. Second point is, the upper part of the map generally signifies the north of the region it represents its. The upper part of the map generally signifies the north of the region it represents. Understood? Third point is, every map is meant to give specific information regarding to a region. Every map is meant to give specific information regarding a region. Number 4. The scale of a map. The scale of a map tell the actual distance between the 2 points on the land. The scale of a map tell the actual distance between 2 points on the land. Fifth point is map are of different types. Maps are of different types. Political maps, physical maps and thematic maps. Sixth point is maps use symbol to share more information such as crops, mineral deposits, highways, railway lines, etc. Different colors are used to represent mountain ranges, oceans, desert and grasslands. Understood? Here our lesson revision over. Now we are going to revise the exercise. Mapping the earth exercise, mapping the earth lesson exercise, we are going to revise. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option from those given in the bracket. So, A. The important characteristic of a political map is dash dash given. We written here state boundaries. The important of characteristic of a political map is state boundaries. A specific theme, it is incorrect answer. State boundaries, correct answer is there, already we filled here. Natural features, wrong. State boundaries, correct answers. Okay, so see second one. B. The color brown on a map indicates mountains. Yes, the color brown on a map indicates mountains. So, continents and water bodies, wrong answer. It is a correct, mountains. C. Dash dash given, we written here, fill here, south. On the map, south on the map always lie at the bottom of the map. Yes, south on the map always lie at the bottom of the map. Yes, west and north, incorrect answers. So this correct answer. D. Between west and north. Between west and north lies west-north direction. Between west and north lies west-north direction. East-west wrong, west-north is correct. And northeast wrong. It is incorrect answer. West-north is correct answer. Next, second question is tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. Tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. Already we are ticked here for correct and crossed for the wrong ones. Only we are going to revise. Okay? A map is usually drawn on a raised surface. Wrong. Map is usually drawn on a flat surface. It is a wrong statement. So, we marked here cross. B. Industries and places of a tourist interest are shown on a thematic map. Yes, correct answer. So we marked here correct. Tick. C. An atlas is a book containing several maps. Correct. Atlas is a book containing several maps. Correct answers. D. Every map is created to give a specific information. Yes, every map is created to give a specific information. So mark here tick. E. Green color on a map shows water bodies. Green color on a map shows water bodies. It is wrong. Which color? Blue color. Blue color shows on a map water bodies. Yes. Blue color shown. It is a wrong statement. So we marked here cross. Now we see the question answers. We are going to revise the question answers. What is the question A? What is the difference between map and a globe? What is the difference between map and globe? It is the first question. What is the difference between map and globe? See answer. Difference between map and globe. A map is a drawing of a part or the whole of the earth on flat surface. Map is a drawing of a part or the whole of the earth on a flat surface. Globe is an exact but a very small replica of the earth. It shows us the size, shape and exact location of continent and countries, oceans and seas on the earth. The globe is an exact but a very small replica of the earth. It shows us the size, shape and exact location of continents and countries, oceans and seas on the earth. Understood? Second question is, how is political map different from physical map? How is? Question B, how is political map different from physical map? Political maps shows boundaries of the countries, state and important cities. Political maps shows the boundaries of the countries, states and the important cities. Physical maps shows the natural features of the earth. Physical map shows the natural feature of the earth such as mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, lakes, rivers and so on. Understood what is the difference between political map and the physical map? Next C, question C. Why do we use a legend or key on a map? Question C. Why do we use a legend or key on a map? Answer. A legend or a key is the list of symbols. A legend or a key is the list of symbols used in map, placed in a box next to the map. A key tells us what the color symbols used in the map stands for. A legend or key is the list of the symbols used in the map, placed in a box next to the map. A key tells us what the colors and the symbol used in the map stand for. Okay, next question D. In a map scale, what is the meaning of the 1 centimeter to the 100 kilometers? In a map scale, what is the meaning of the 1 centimeter to the 100 kilometers? Answer. It means that every centimeter on the map represents 100 km on the actual ground. It means that every centimeter on the map represents 100 km actual ground. Okay. Question E. State any two uses of maps. State any two uses of maps. Answer. A map shows the location of places. A map shows the location of places, boundaries of the states, countries, continents, water bodies, other sources of places. It also gives the information on the distance between the two places on the earth. States any two uses of maps. A map shows the location of places, boundaries of the states, countries, continents, water bodies, other sources of places. It also gives information on the distance between the two places on the earth. Understood, kids? Here, revision of the two lessons over. Revision of the two lessons over mapping the earth and the globe. The globe lesson and the mapping the earth lesson revision over. Understood, the kids? Your homework is you read the lesson one time, read the revising points and learn by heart this one question answers. Learn the exercise too. Read this one. Make a preparation for exam. Understood, my kids? Thank you for watching the video.